Hey everyone, if your controller isn't working in No Man's Sky on PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several proven solutions to fix the problem step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click on No Man's Sky and select Properties. On the left side, click the Controller tab. In the Override for No Man's Sky dropdown, select Enable Steam Input. Launch the game and test your controller. If it still doesn't work, go back to the same drop-down menu. This time select Disable Steam Input and check again. Solution 2. Open Steam. Click on Settings. Go to the controller section. Here, only check the controller types you actually use. If you have an Xbox controller, enable Steam Input for Xbox. If that doesn't work, try disabling it. If you use a PlayStation controller, find PlayStation controller support. Set it to Not Enabled. If it still doesn't work, enable it in games without native support. Do the same for Switch controllers or generic controllers. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're using an Xbox Gamepad. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Expand Human Interface Devices. Locate your Gamepad. Right-click it and select Disable Device. Then right-click it again and select Enable Device. This refreshes the connection between your controller and Windows. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your Gamepad and select Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your Gamepad driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install. Once it's done, launch No Man's Sky again and test your controller. And that's it. With these solutions, your controller should be working again in No Man's Sky on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.